This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are still at Oslo Motor Show, and here I'm gonna take a static review of Voyah Courage. You know, Voyah 3 wasn't that popular in Norway. It's still available, some people bought it, but the Courage is a more updated version, and it is actually as spacious as a Voyah 3. Okay, so let's show you guys a little bit interesting design on the hood. You know, this was in the prototype, and they actually kept it. Yeah, supposedly the guys in Norway, they had lots of influence on Voyah of how they were going to develop the Courage. So it became like this. You can see here, it goes all the way up there. You see that? So it actually helps for stability and maybe some drag coefficient. So it's like an eyepiece. It has like an eyepiece look on it. So yeah, nice. It has matrix lights. It has head-up display over here. Relatively large head-up display. Yeah, nowadays I also start noticing the size of the head-up display. And then let me check something here. Okay, just regular glass, no acoustic glass. Oh wow, looks spacious. We have the bridge design, quite common nowadays. We have 12-volt outlet, USB-A, USB-C. These are probably the perfume wire, what they will call it. You take it out, right? Okay, plenty of space there. And then let's check here. Hey, what is it? Oh, interesting. This is a door handle. You close the door. I like it. I like it. There was another car. What was it again? It was the new Hongxi, had the door handle here. Like you had to do this, right? This is way better. Oh, Neo style. Yeah, you go this and this direction instead. Yeah, just like Neo, the EL8 and the so on, EL7. Yeah. What? No, this is disappointing. What the heck is this shit? Haptic feedback, haptic buttons, but this seems to be kaput. I don't like it. And then here. Interesting. It's like ID7 style instrument cluster, a relatively small instrument cluster. Yeah, with some of the most important information there. And then, nice. I like it that you have several different profiles, just like in Neo actually. In Tesla, for example, there's only one user and one driving position, which is a bit, not very flexible. But let me see, how is that again? You can swipe the screen. How do you swipe the screen? Did you use 3 fingers or something?
Screen sliding. Please do not touch it.
What is? Hey, come back. What happens if I actually swipe this while I'm driving? I have to go grab it. Get back.
Screen sliding.
Get over here.
Do not touch it.
Okay, the Voyah 3 had that whole dashboard that went up and down. Here you have the screen that goes over there. That is the most useless, pointless feature ever. Okay, anyway. Ooh, wait, what do I see here? We have a wireless charging pad here. It's ventilated. Well, at least it's perforated. It's charging, but is it also, can you also charge on this side? No. What? Why? You see, there's a lightning icon there, but no lightning icon on that side. Why? If you already use the space here, why not put a charging pad there also? Okay, whatever. Cup holder there. A relatively big center console here. Oh yeah, hammer time. Oh, oops, might have broken something. What is this? Yeah, oh, you know what? I think that's a hole for the HVAC, right? So you can if you put the HVAC on cooling, you can then cool the glove box or whatever here. Yeah, but there's also a conventional glove box here. See? And it looks nice. You know, it has that those rounded transition between the panels, similar to Neo. Yeah, if you've seen the Neo ES8 or EL8 or EL7, EL6, they also have this new style. Seems like the Chinese people, they're copying each other. But I like the steering wheel at least. Okay, except for these buttons, I hate them already. But the steering wheel is nice to touch, big and thick. Yeah. And then let me check here. And what the heck? Huh? What the heck is this? What? Okay. Okay, how do you open it? Oh, oh. Huh? Okay, can we extend it? No. That is the weirdest visor, sun visor ever. Is this sending data to China? No, where is it sending data to China? I can't see it. There. Sending data to China, yeah. Let's check headroom. Wow, plenty of headroom. I'm in the lowest position on the front seat. But the seats are a bit flat. Yeah, but I mean, this is not a sports car, but not that much side support. Flat with, of course, ventilation and massage, but they look comfy. And they don't only look comfy, but they actually feel very comfy. And in the back here, wow, oh, huh? I just noticed something. The door here is just humongous. The opening is really nice and spacious. This is Daddy Bjørn approved, because when you get in here and put in the child seat, or I mean interesting. Okay, so so you just poke it in there and you find the holes. Yeah, that is approved. Spring loaded. Huh, that's new. Let's check here. Oh, we have this air vent that needs to be adjusted. No. Oh, wait, you can do this at least side. Okay, and then here we have USB A, USB C. They still include USB A. I'm sorry, USB A. I would prefer only USB C nowadays. In 2023, 24, almost 25, then you want to have only USB C. And then let's check here. How is the headroom? Oh, the panorama roof goes to here only, you see? And that means that here, then we just have regular roof, but it goes up here. So you get some additional space, but for me, who's 173 centimeters, I have roughly a fist of clearance there. And then here we have center console that goes down, and then cup holder is here. Kind of weird, because it means that it is short. Like if you want to use the armrest, you have to just have it like this. Some cars like a Tesla Model Y and some of the other cars I tried even today, the cup holder will be here, but there's no cup holder there. But at least there's the table here, so that's good. So many of the Chinese cars, they have table there. You can put your stuff there, and then it falls down there up again. But no ski opening seems like. But then let me try the middle seat. Middle seat, it's slightly higher, and then less space here, around 2 finger clearance. I don't know these designers, but we have handles for all 4 doors here. Many cars, they have handles for only 3 of them, but except for the driver, why not? Here we have also for the driver to pull in and out. But the legroom here is insanely good. Look at this. I have adjusted for myself in the front, and I have plenty of headroom. You know, some cars, when they do the banana box test, I can put the banana box in here horizontally. Most cars have to put it vertically. This car here, the Voyah Courage, I think I can put it horizontally. That's how much leg room you have. That is massive. But when it comes to the height, it seems to be average. Yeah, I'm not sitting like this, but I'm also not, yeah. So that's okay. Frameless windows just in the front, yeah, okay. It looks and feels nice. Yeah, man, the Chinese cars, they are really something. And think about this. This car cost 450k NOK only. And you get all this. Here you have the taillight. And then the button is here. Open the trunk. And also you have plenty of space in the trunk. You see, you can put your baby stroller here. I'm guessing, how many banana boxes can it take? Maybe 8, but you have more space under here, a quite big well. So this car could maybe take 9 or 10 banana boxes. Just wild guess. I have to, of course, test this eventually. But let me check, what do we have here? There's a hook there for holding some stuff. No 12-volt outlet in the back. But yeah. And then under here, wow, it has that nice sporty look in the back. Let's try to show you in this angle here. And then let's have to check the chart for it. This is the EU spec car. So it has CCS, yeah, with the butt plugs here. Kinda clumsy with the butt plugs, but okay, it still works and it seals everything. So there you guys have it, Voyah Courage. You know, traveling is not about money, it's about courage. Well, with courage here, you can then travel far, right? Well, yeah, can't wait to test it eventually. What do you guys think, huh? It looks different. It is, like, some of the design here is just mind-blowingly different from what I've seen before. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.